Are you ready?
I'm putting my shoes on. It got above 50 degrees, so we're dressed for about 79 actually.
Right. Yeah, totally.
Yeah, no socks and sneakers and my sunglasses.
Once it's like 45 degrees, it's pretty much summer, huh?
Yeah, we have been below zero for so long that this 50-degree weather pretty much feels like summer to us.
That's what I was gonna say.
This is the beginning of Montana summer.
It's been a long time since we've vlogged, since we've made a video. Yeah. We had an incredibly cold February and March, like record-breaking, 30 days straight of never getting above freezing type of stuff.
Indoor recess every day.
Haven't been doing any video making, but now it's a springtime. We're back at it. Today's gonna be the first video we've made in a long time.
Yeah, we're excited.
Look at how nice out it is.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
58 degrees.
58 degrees. A little bit breezy.
So that's 60 above zero, let's just say, and it was 20 below zero. So it is 80 degrees warmer than it was 1 month ago.
Right. Drastic change.
Yeah.
The change was so sudden. I remember the day after daylight savings time went into effect. I walked out of work at 5 o'clock and was just stunned to feel the sun and it was a time change and a massive weather change.
Yeah, we were in a polar vortex, and then the weather changed.
So we are off.
Yep.
Okay, so you just got this, what is it?
Coffee granita with whipped cream. So
coffee granita?
Coffee and milk and ice.
Coffee, milk, and ice, awesome. And what did you say about it?
It's my favorite drink of ever.
Really? Do you like going on road trips and getting that as we stop here in Laurel?
Yeah, it's an important tradition.
It is. We always stop here. We always stop here at this City Brew. And it's a pretty good time, isn't it? All right, we stopped in Livingston here at Casey's Corner. I'm gonna try to get the slow motion out and maybe catch Sugar and Tangerines in slow motion. Go. So we're standing here. We just got to Bozeman. No drone flight because we don't have time to do the Bozeman scene plus the drone scene. I do have my GH4 with me. Nice little drive over to Bozeman. We're listening to The Last Days of the Incas audiobook. Pretty good stuff. And we're here in Bozeman.
Good summary.
Good summary. And there's a little creek right here. And I'm gonna get some slow motion. Nice. So anyway, we were on our way over here and I was gonna try to fly the drone, but we ran out of time, and so Sugar and Tangerines wanted to go shopping and I actually acquiesced to it. So instead of out flying my drone, I'm here shopping in downtown Bozeman with Sugar and Tangerines. Gotta do the nice thing every once in a while, you know? Not most of the time, just once in a while. You look great. All right, folks, this is Beale Park in Bozeman. We just got the first drone flight. Hopefully you enjoy the drone flight downtown Bozeman.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits. Right now. push over the